In this video, you'll learn how to customize your Calendly booking page. By following these steps, you will be able to modify event details, appearance, and settings to better fit your needs. Begin by navigating to the left sidebar and selecting the S scheduling option. This will take you to a list of your meetings. Locate the specific meeting you wish to edit, and next to it, you will see three dots represented by the icon. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Edit. This action will open the event editor where you can make various adjustments to your booking page. Inside the editor, you will first focus on customizing the basic details of the event. To change the event name, simply click on the current name and enter the new title you prefer. Below that, you will find a section for the event description. Add any important meeting details here, such as Zoom link information or preparation instructions to ensure invitees have all the necessary information. Next, you will change the booking page appearance. Click on the section labeled "When can people book this event?" or scroll down to the settings sections. Here you can customize several elements, including the meeting duration, location options like Zoom, Google Meet, phone, or in-person meetings, as well as the available days and hours for scheduling. Additionally, consider setting a buffer time between meetings to avoid back-to-back bookings. Moving on, navigate to the invitee questions section. This is crucial for gathering information from your clients. Here you can add or edit questions such as asking for their phone number, company name, or reason for the meeting. If you require additional information, click the plus add new question button to include more fields. This customization will change what clients say when they are booking the event. After setting up the questions, go to the notifications and workflow section. In this area, you can choose to send confirmation emails, set reminders for upcoming meetings, and even add follow-up messages to enhance communication with your invitees. Next, scroll to the additional settings section where you can adjust the booking page link settings. Here, you have options to change the invitee language, make the event secret, limit the number of bookings per day, and set a minimum scheduling notice for your meetings. Finally, to save all your changes, click on the Save and Close button located at the top right corner of the editor. Your booking page will update instantly, reflecting all the modifications you have made. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.